Hey guys, at the Slough HMO project, and I just wanted to give you a quick update on where we are with the external 6-meter extension. So let me quickly turn the camera around. Right guys, so here you can see the actual brick facade is completed all the way to the roof level where the roof's going to be going up right there, and they're currently progressing with so as you can see here, we have the external brick facade, the insulation, and now the internal block work is going through and progressing quite nicely. If you look here, I think they're almost at the end of the day today, so they're closing the site up. But here you can see the brick facade is obviously coming from the outside and the block work is almost done. And here, this bit here as well, the brick and block work is also finished, or almost finished. And yeah, we're almost at the end of the block work, where hopefully in the next sort of day or so that's going to be finished, and then they're going to start working on the roof. So yeah, just thought I'll give you a very quick update on this. And if you'd like to actually get regular content from us, whether it's site tours, it's up-to-date property information of what's going on in the market, and how you can get ahead of the property game, do like, follow and subscribe to our videos. Thank you.